Well, role in a play back
Today?
No, within the Igbo community.
Well, here what about Igbo? Now I didn't know your quarter. So since from the inception of this union, you know, I would say from 2007, you know.
Yes.
I've been up to date, you know, putting on all my bells, you know, which I know almost all the members here. So
that's good.
Yeah, human, you know.
Yeah.
So everything that has to do with the
why,
IPU, oh my God,
yes.
You know.
That's beautiful.
So that is why, even when I resigned as a secretary after many years, you know, it was more than 10 years, you know. So
nice.
I still have that passion to see others grow, you know.
That's good.
And, for IPU, I don't know how the best way to explain to you.
Yeah, I bet you have left a good legacy behind.
Oh my
to
God.
see this day, you know, flourishing like
honestly,
this.
I'm so happy. Even the teenagers are becoming part of us, and they are coming into it, you know, gradually.
I see them flocking in there now, which is good.
My prayer is that we continue in love. You know, that's the most important thing.
Good. That's good.
It's a thing of love. It's a thing of joy. True. And you know, our heritage is very important.
Yeah,
no matter where we find ourselves. Igbo and I to now we are an unbroken nation. Nothing can break us.
I'm very confident.
So in all we do, I think we should always have it in mind that we are not doing a favor to anybody. But what we are building a strong bridge for those that will come after us to follow. And I'm so impressed to always see you come because we missed this for a long time.
True.
We missed this in our union, you know.
No problem. You see me so often now. You know?
It is an added blessing to Igbo Progressive Union.
We'll catch up, you know.
So that's our prayer, and this is answered prayer, you know.
Yes. Before we move on, I forgot to ask you your name. Tell us your name.
My
first.
name Uche Godwin or Frank Ubbor, you know. Wow. So Jehovah, God is
good to have you.
And we have had good membership, you know. Everything we do, I think we flourish so good, you know. But I'm happy that even the way we look at ourselves, first time we should do that to ourselves.
Yeah,
other communities, other tribes, they want to emulate us, you know.
Yeah, to see what is going on today. I don't see anybody who's doing what you guys are doing.
Igbos, you know, everybody wants to be like us.
It's a sign
you know,
of,
it's not in a bad way. Not in a bad way, just because no matter how difficult it is, no matter the challenging things, we always come together. We're so formidable, and I appreciate that.
That's the challenge.
Thank you, my brother.
Of the executives said, you know,
yes, sir.
They're having to get everyone together, but it's happening. It's coming to life. You know,
but it's not easy to
start
good
job,
something.
You know, for you guys, man.
We look after ourselves, you know. So and thank you so much for bringing us together. This is another formation of bringing everyone together.
You're welcome.
You know,
You're welcome.
And it's a life history because once Abara into your quarter or what?
Yes,
podcast, live,
We're on podcast, yes. So
yeah,
I am here to promote my podcast channel and promote Igbo culture.
And we will always support you.
I am Igbo by nature, so. Yeah.
Life, your DNA is complete.
No, I make sure I capture it live, you know.
Yeah.
You know. So there's no other media journalist around. Nobody can do it for us.
No. God, in everything, God did for the Igbos. Everything. We have everything. We are complete.
We're blessed with everything. Thank God.
Honestly. We are complete.
We can document our own story, tell our own story. So let me just go back into it's not about me.
Yeah, no,
let's go back to the Igbo Day, why we are here. What is your favorite Igbo name? Do you have Igbo name?
Uchenna.
Uchenna, okay,
yeah. Uchenna, that's
a typical Igbo name.
Yeah.
That's one Igbo. Uchenna, what does it mean in English?
Uchenna means it's like a God's mind, you know.
God's mind, yeah.
The Father's mind.
Yeah, the Father's wish.
So for you to be in your Father's mind, that's the most precious place to hide.
Yes, a beautiful name you got. What is your favorite Igbo food?
Oh my God, egusi.
Egusi? With
here we don't get pounded yam, we don't get anything, you know.
What do we get?
I eat with gari, you know, but if pounded yam comes, it supersides the other ones.
Okay, we go with pounded yam.
No.
Wow.
We have this, and they like my children. They like it, so
That's
anything
good.
and I swallow the best.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. There are a lot of people that like it. Yeah, I enjoy it myself.
Oh, no, good.
Yeah.
And the good thing about it is
True.
we can easily see it around, So our food has gone many places. Our food, the things we neglect back home. Yeah, some of them are hotcakes. I was looking at this thing called Okpa. Okpa is, if you go to online Okpa, it's very everywhere.
Yeah.
In all European
True.
countries. Yeah.
Wow.
Okpa with hotcake, very.
I haven't seen it yet.
It's
Only the one
everywhere.
that my wife makes for me sometimes at home, but I
it
haven't.
comes in different forms. Now it's repackaged.
All right.
The things we overlook, but now you want to at all costs,
Wow.
So it's a wonderful thing,
Yeah, we have a good
I
traditional
pray God
food.
that we'll have a successful outing today, and then
Thank you.
at the end of it, all of us will be blessed,
Thank you.
And come next year, we'll also come together
Yes.
and always do what we are known for,
Thank you. So what is your advice for young generation growing up here in
As a
Ireland?
charity begins
and
at home.
what is your personal story?
They
Or
say
any one of them?
charity
Advice or
begins at
personal
home.
story?
Well, what I'm trying to do, this lays back to families, Every foundation starts from back home.
Yes.
Each one of us, we are Igbos. We need to teach our children because we should understand this, that if we fail to do this, then the community, the society will teach them their own, and they will neglect us. So this is why in every day of our activities, like most of us, Mandela, the people that are not Igbos, but in one way or the other, we should push them towards that to learn it.
To learn our culture,
Which is good. Like during the COVID period, a lot of people complain about COVID, but for me it was a good thing. What I did, I flew all my family, went down to Nigeria. My mom, she was speaking Igbo, and then my kids. It took them some time, maybe a month before they start, integrating properly.
That's good.
We stayed roughly 1 year in Nigeria, so it was a good time for them. Both food, everything that I did personally while I was growing up. I didn't see it as a hard thought. I put them into that.
I see.
Everything. So it is a
tough challenge.
progress.
Yeah. How did they cope? That's a long story.
Let me tell you the truth is wherever you are, if somebody carry you from here to desert, you will learn how to live in the desert. So that's the best way. Love wherever you go. Love wherever you find yourself. That's how you can find a way to overcome. It's a challenge. Like most of us that traveled, wherever we find ourselves, the best option.
Yeah, I was coming to that
It's
question.
not- it's
yes.
not
So
to
what is the
complain.
challenge like, promoting Igbo culture here in Ireland? And what would be the opportunity?
Yeah, I think the challenges we had, we don't have any financial challenge because the Igbos motor seminar when here. Understand me?
Yes.
I remember one time my dad told me when he went to school, he got a scholarship in Holy Family College at back.
Yeah.
And they were supposed to issue that to him. The principal said, "No, you are an Igbo man. Your father will pay for you." So he said to me, that means that everywhere an Igbo man is, no matter how challenging, how difficult, we have this tendency to succeed. It is in us. It's imbibed in us. We can't fail if we decide not to fail. So whatever we see, no matter the situation, Igbos, we don't fail. And I have ballast. So it is a great thing, though.
So for being a former secretary, what was your experience?
Initially, that was when we started, the first time we started
Igbo
this.
Progressive Union here in Galway.
Yeah, when we started, I remember what happened when we started. It was just like a joke. We decided, you know what? We'll just make a circular, call Igbos together, and then we wrote the circle, and then called everybody. But the unity was it's like everybody was longing for this. We just,
turned in, yeah?
honestly, when the first meeting we had in Shantala was great. Everybody turned up, and then from there, this is my
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Wow, now you're complete. You're a completed Igbo man now.
So
It
to
was
be
half
honest,
past,
that picture of that day, I still have it. I saved the first meeting we had.
Wow,
It
I
was-
wish you have it here now.
I will look for it and get it for you. I mean, everybody turned up, and then after that, when Ken lost the wife, the Igbos came back together. We unified. From that, everything we do, we started. Everybody was coming. We had up to 70 something in memberships. So that was great. And then we contributed financially. We didn't lack anything. We came, we saved money. We did everything. We tried to, build our constitution.
Yes.
We did everything necessarily. We engaged into the community here. We used to, if we're having a meeting like this, we invite the president, this current president, which I think is Ren, Didi Higgins, or Galway City Partnership, we rallied around and we get Nigerian embassy, they will send their representatives, they have to come. That was the time they had there was something Nigeria was doing. They only selected the Igbos to be the one that represent the other countries. That was great, you know. We went far, Limerick, Munich, everywhere, you know. And our party, oh my God, our women, so wonderful, honestly. Our color in Galway was like, we were just like, you know, brandishing everywhere.
That's
you know.
good. Yeah, you have a beautiful, colorful.
We're coming back again. I think was coming back again strongly.
Yeah, that's good.
Better than ever.
That's good. We need it together. We're strong,
yes,
man.
no, united we stand. Oh yeah, we'll Igbo VK.
All right. Chief Uche.
Eze when we are one.